Moving away to university can be quite a daunting prospect, not just for the applicant themselves, but for the parent or guardian that's supporting them at home. But there are lots of ways that you can support them and that they can support themselves in feeling more comfortable with that process. There are lots of social media groups, for instance, Facebook groups where parents get together and talk about the transition, as well as applicants getting together and talking with one another before that freshers week, that first week of university. Once they've made their choice where they'd like to go, they may decide that they'd like to live in student halls. And when applying for student halls at university, you can give preferences to the institution on where you'd like to live. So perhaps your young person would like to live in halls of residence with only students from the same course as them, or students with the same interests or of the same religion, for instance. You can even request to live in student halls that are quieter than others. All of these can be offered to the institution as preferences so that they can make sure that your young person is placed somewhere they feel most comfortable. Another thing that can be a concern is maybe financial support. Now, your young person will get full financial support through either Student Finance Wales or Student Finance England to support them with their course fees and living costs. But if they've got any additional requirements, they should declare those during the application, because there may well be additional funding available to them for those. In terms of additional support as well, most universities will have free counselling services, wellbeing services, social activities and so on to support your young person feeling comfortable once they've moved away from home and integrating into the university community.